So hi guys, Shashank here. Welcome to my channel, and today we have a new package from Dirtsack. I just ordered myself a rackless system for my KTM Adventure 390. So let's just do a quick unbox and see what's all in the package. This is how it looks from the outside. We're just gonna do an unboxing and see what all it has to offer. Let's get right into it. Right. Okay. All right, lovely packing, as you can see here. Okay, one by one. Okay, first is we have some stickers and Dirtsack heat shield. This is to protect the bags from the silencer of the bike. So this is the heat shield. This is universal, so it fits on any bike. Then comes reinforcement braces. So this is basically hard plastic. So this hard plastic actually sits inside the pockets of the rackless system so that the rackless system doesn't deform with time. It stays sturdy, and this is one of the other packages. Then comes an entire kit system. So let's do one thing. Let's just remove the box from the picture. We'll keep it aside. Yes. Okay. Okay. Starting off straight out of the bat, we have 2.8 liters or 3 liters aux packs. So these are basically waterproof systems which go on top of your rackless system. So these are additional pockets. We call them aux packs. So there are 2 of them. So we'll show that as well. And then comes, we have MOLLE webbing. So this is basically to keep another bag in the middle. We have 2 rackless systems on both the sides, like the saddle bags, and we have this system which accommodates one more bag at the middle. So the MOLLE webbing, this is Hypalon material, very sturdy. So let's just quickly unbox this as well. So this is the material that I was talking to you about. There are 2 pouches inside where you can keep your bike documents and some other things. And this is the Hypalon material. This is a webbing material so that you can strap off whatever you want. And these are the hard sturdy materials. So this basically, the system, let's say you have a webbing right here, and this sits like this. So there's one more bag you can latch onto this, and this sits on top of this. So there's a bag which comes in the middle and 2 rackless systems on the sides. So this is another product along with the package. And yes, so this is the dry bag. This is a roll down kind of a bag. This is fully waterproof. We have some webbing here. So all your luggage, all your packing cubes goes into this. This is 24 liters each, so both the bags. So totally 24, 48 liters each. So these 48 liters fully waterproof roll down bag goes into the pockets of the rackless system. So this is another product which comes alongside. Let's keep this aside as well. This is the main rackless system. As you can see, 2 pockets. It's a universal fit for any bike. This is the regular size, and I have ordered moss green. Moss green is what goes with my KTM Adventure. I wanted a desertish theme to keep the Dakar inspired bike as it is. There's also a black version which you can see on some other YouTube reviews, and yeah, pretty sturdy material. So your aux packs, your 24 liter roll down bags goes into these pockets. These pockets are on both the sides. So this basically sits on the bike like this. So the seat of the bike, the pillion seat of the bike, this is supposed to sit. This part sits on the bike, and these 2 aux packs lie on the sides. So this is completely rackless system. One of the main advantages or focus of the rackless system is you don't need any saddle stays, which add on to the weight of the bike, and it also goes well with the design of the bike. And there are some good options for affordable range. This is slightly on the expensive side, but I'm hoping this is worth the investment, because I've heard from a lot of folks that this is very sturdy, both here and international guys. So they use this in rugged terrains, and this obviously goes well with the channel of the bike. So if you see, this sits on the bike like this, and two pockets are extended. This is moss green, and I'm in love with the color. It's pretty good color. Why did I go to this system and not just any other regular system, or let's just say a top box? So to be informed, I had a 45 liters JB Racing top box before. The main reason I'm shifting to a soft setup from a hard luggage system is no doubt the hard luggage was quite sturdy and fully waterproof. It was even safe to lock away things in your top box and go. The only thing was it used to spoil the handling of my bike. Since I ride an adventure, it's not like the Royal Enfields, which are full metal. Mine is kind of a fiberish body, and more weight used to fall on the backside, so which spoils the center of gravity of the bike. My handlebar used to shake a lot, so that is the reason I'm shifting to a soft luggage system. And one of the closest systems that I could find in the Indian segment for the rackless system, even though Ragear and some other brands are coming in slowly now into the market, is Dirtsack. This is as good as Moscow Moto. I can't believe this. At this price range, having a bag which is as similar as Tusk, Moscow Moto, all of these big brands which are focused on the international segments, quite sturdy, quite lovely. The packaging was also quite neat, and the bags are quite sturdy. We have aux packs, and also with this aux packs, this is another pouch inside you get to keep your medical and many other small tools. And this is the waterproof segment that comes in. So we extend this. We have a roll down bag here as well, so which is very neat. So we'll just open this. As you can see, there's a roll down bag here. So what you do is you put your things into this and you roll it down and you latch it like this. Once you latch it, you put it in the bag, and this is fully waterproof. So that's about it, guys. That's it with the unboxing video. Let's just see how it looks on our KTM. I'll take you to my bike. Let's go. Okay, quick update. Before going to the bike, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. I've just spread out all the items that we just unboxed, and come have a look at it. Yeah. Okay, so here we start off. We have one MOLLE webbing, and then we have an aux pack, and then we have a heat shield and two ratchet systems for the heat shield. Then we have another aux pack. Then we have another MOLLE webbing, which is the main one which sits on the top. Then we have two dry bags, one here, 24 liters, one more here. And then we have a clamp buckle system, which is made up of a metal racket. I'll show you later. And this is the main system, main Dirtsack system. So yeah guys, I've fitted the rackless Arup system on my KTM 390 Adventure, and let's go see how it looks. So here is my Falcon KTM 390 Adventure 2024 spec, and this is how the Dirtsack looks. An awesome fit and finish. I'll take you around. So this is the back look. It looks so neat. And this is the side look. As you can see. And this is the top look. This is how it looks from the top. So these are the aux packs that I was talking to you about. These are 2.8 liters each, one here and one sits here. So both are strapped to the MOLLE webbings. And then we have two pockets, one 24 liters here and another 24 liters here. And there's one more bag which we can keep it here. This can be any bag. I'm just using an old 36 liters bag with the waterproof cover. You can keep a big duffel bag over here, and this is the MOLLE webbing that comes. This system is what comes along with the Dirtsack, as you can see. So this goes, it rolls all the way from the bottom to top, then it clips on to another system here. The entire thing sits rock solid. Love luggage that sits like this. It gives you peace of mind. And how this is mounted is pretty simple. I'll just take you through. So if you see here, there is one clamp here, the metal buckle clamp sitting on here. It's clamped to the pillion footrest, and then the same thing on the other side as well. There's one clamp right here. This sits sturdy. This metal buckle is rock solid. And then comes this system. The base system of this has come all the way here. It has looped through this. It has come here. So what this essentially does is it avoids this luggage to go slide forward. Whereas what this does, this ratchet system here does, is it avoids the luggage falling backwards. So this is a well balanced setup. And all in all, a fantastic look. I'm really loving the look and the feel of this bag. So talking about the capacity of this bike, as of now, let's say I have a 36 liters bag here and 24 liters here, 24 liters here, that makes it 48, and then 2.8 liters, around 3 liters each. So that makes it what? 48, 36, 6. It's approximately around 90 liters capacity. 90 liters would be more than enough for a month's ride. I'm not talking about a 15-day Ladakh ride, it's for a month it would last you. Oh, and one more tiny thing I missed out is the heat shield that came with Dirtsack. So I've tried to do a DIY fit on the heat shield as well. So this is how it looks on the KTM Adventure 390. So this is the heat shield. I'm a bit of fiddling around, but it can be easily fitted DIY. So this actually avoids the bag from getting hot due to the suspension travel that it has. There's approximately around 2.5 inches. That is more than sufficient, but even if some pillion sits or something, this might sag down. But one thing you're about to notice in the Adventure 390 is, even if the bike is sagging due to the suspension, the entire setup along with the silencer goes down. So I don't know how beneficial this would be for us, but it is there. It is an extra layer of protection for the bags. So that's about it. And maybe in the future I would try mounting it on top of a top rack so that a pillion also can be sitting on top of the bike. Currently it's mounted on the pillion seat. Let's see. I did talk to the owner and he suggested not mounting it on the top rack. He suggested mounting it where it has to be mounted on the pillion seat. But let's just see how it holds. And if at all I do get some working around for the top rack, I will definitely post a video on that. So all in all, very happy with Dirtsack, my first product from Dirtsack. This is not a sponsored video, and I'll keep you guys posted. Cheers.